Meaning of dismally.
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 Dismally. Dismally is an adverb that means in a gloomy or depressing manner. It describes a situation that is marked by disappointment, failure, or sadness. For example, if a company's financial performance is described as dismal, it means that the company is doing very poorly and experiencing financial losses. Similarly, if a student's test scores are described as dismal, it means that they performed very poorly on the test. In essence, dismally conveys a sense of bleakness and indicates that something has gone terribly wrong or is feeling hopeless.